What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna try out a style that's been trending on social media lately. It's called the rule of thirds, one of the real basics of photography. For today's setup, I'm using the low light base, the Sony ZV-E1 with the Zeiss 55mm f1.8. Don't forget to turn on your grid lines in the setting. Alright, let's get into it. The rule of thirds is all about splitting your frame into 3 sections both ways, and then placing your subject along those lines or right on the intersections. Definitely give it a try. It's super simple and really effective. By the way, I'm on my way to hitting 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.